VHF stands for very high frequency, and it refers to the radio waves that range from 30 to 300 MHz. VHF radio is widely used for short-range communication between ships, coast stations, and aircraft. It is also the primary means of distress, urgency, and safety calls in the GMDSS. VHF radio has several advantages, such as high clarity, low interference, low power consumption, and easy installation. However, it also has some drawbacks, such as limited range, line-of-sight propagation, and vulnerability to weather conditions. VHF radio is mainly used for routine and emergency communication within a local area. It can also be used for digital selective calling DSC, which is a feature that allows you to send and receive pre-programmed messages with a unique identification number. DSC can be used to alert other stations of your distress, urgency, or safety situation, or to establish voice communication with a specific station. VHF radio can also be used for automatic identification system, which is a system that transmits and receives information about the identity, position, course, and speed of nearby vessels. VHF radio has some challenges that may affect its performance and reliability. One of the main challenges is the limited range of VHF radio, which depends on the height of the antenna, the power output, and the curvature of the Earth. VHF radio usually has a range of about 20 to 40 nautical miles, but it can be reduced by obstacles, such as mountains, buildings, or bridges. Another challenge is the line-of-sight propagation of VHF radio, which means that the radio waves travel in a straight line and cannot bend around the Earth or reflect off the ionosphere. This limits the coverage of VHF radio and makes it susceptible to shadow zones and dead spots. A third challenge is the vulnerability of VHF radio to weather conditions, such as rain, fog, snow, or lightning. These conditions can cause attenuation, distortion, or interference of the radio signals.